So hi everyone, this is Kenny here. So last month, March 2025, was the 12th month since I started in real estate. Means it's already 1 year. So fast already 1 year, and even in this 1 year, a lot of things has happened. But let's get back to business. So last month was the fasting month, Ramadan, and business is also very slow. Even the leads are slow. Don't get much viewing, much leads, but I took that time to actually do more content now. So I did revise my content strategy and do more content and learn how to say no to things that is not within my geographic coverage and also within the business strategy. Okay, so that I did last month. As I only the measly 5,800 out of 15,000. Okay, so remember my target gross sales, gross revenue must be 15,000 a month before the company split for me to cover my expenses. That's 15. So knowing that last month is only like 5.8k, not even 6,000. So last month the deficit eat into my savings. Actually, I have also no savings, but I just did what I can. I reevaluate my content strategy, say no to things that is not within my control, not within my business sense. So for April, I have more clarity to move forward. That's about it. That's what I want to share for last month. I might be doing more videos where I share with you like what is the lessons, especially to those who wants to become a real estate agent in the future. What are my lessons I've learned for the past 1 year? But for now, I'm signing off. This is the end of my vlog. Bye.